Hi guys, so this is a series of videos where we will take Devin Jatho short form video and we will go through it and see how we can make every single edit inside this video. So for example, I take this short form video from his channel or from his Instagram page and we will take it step by step. Maybe today we'll make one or two things like the intro animation, and in the next episodes we will go through the video and take it step by step and walk you through every single effect and how you can make these edits for your own videos. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow up on the channel so you can see the next videos and improve your skills and learn how you can make it. So without further ado, let's get into the screen and see how we will start. So the important thing here is to choose the right font. So we need it bold. We may not reach the same font, but we will get something similar, you know. So let's say that we will use this one here, and after that we will change the color. So we will say yellow like this. After that we will get drop shadow. Increase the softness a little bit. And we will need, like, you know, this small stroke, black stroke like this. And after that we will add the glue effect. Start adjusting these settings like this. And this one is not white, so as you can see here it's a little bit gray like this. And we will keep adjusting the glue, decreasing the intensity. And by the way, every single project we will work on, I'll make a folder, and you can get it from the link below, maybe paid for very little price, like $1 or $2 or $5 or something, but it's worth it if you want to save time. And after that you see this white here, so we'll get a sweep, light sweep effect, and we will make it like this. It looks good, but we can make some other adjustments like this, but we keep it up before all these layers. It looks like this. And after that we will need this. It's very easy, just this icon. Get it here and a little bit rotation, and adding the glue effect again, making some adjustments, decreasing the degree, the intensity, and that's it. We are very close to the final results, just a different font. I'll search for this font, maybe paid one, but I can't find it. So this one is is also good, so you can use it. So this one name is One Straight, and also this one is very near this Robic, is also good. So this is the first part, which is the text. So it's very similar. Now let's move forward, making this comments animation. Make this one disappear, so you can see it's changing and going back like this, but it's the one in the front is the only one that changes, but these all are empty layers, or maybe the same, but there is not any content inside it. So let's see, making the shape, increase the roundness like this. There is no stroke here. Change the color to be this gray color, maybe changing it to be like this. And now we just have to have the name. And for the images, we will make just one composition, and after that we will add more. We will duplicate the composition and change the content. So let's see. We go to the Instagram account, we can just copy the name and have like making the time like this, and as you can see it's a little bit darker like this. And then we can get the image, save the image, and drag it here and make a mask, reduce the size, and here we can type comment. We'd add this effect, Mostic effect like this, and making some changes so we have the same look like this. And we will need this love icon from the same website. Let's use this one here. We're not copying, but we're just making like it, and in our edits we will make some improvements. adding the fill effect, make it gray, decreasing the size like this. And yes, we almost done with this one here. So we will, select all these layers, Control Shift C, and make a composition. And we can just, because you see this composition is very long and have a very big size, so we can go to the motion tools and crop this from here. But if you don't have it, you have to download it because it will make it more, way more easier. And for example, we have to make some changes again. But what you can do without the motion tools plugin, you can just click into this tool here and select this composition size to be like this, and go to the composition and crop comb to the region of interest, and that's it. You have it like this, very, very small, and you can still go inside and make some improvements and adding the glue effect and the drop shadow. Yeah, so this is the first one. We will duplicate it, but and make another change. But for the second one, we will go to the reveal to the project, and we will duplicate it from here and hold Alt and drag it into this layer. So it making it changes inside this one will not affect the first one. But the point is we will go and crop this layer just after the second one appears. Go inside and make the same changes again. Here is the name, and the same thing with the image. Drag it into the project panel and change Alt and drag in the selected image, and it will be replaced. But maybe you making some changes, maybe make it as 10 hours. Yeah, and that's it. So this is the changes we will make. And we make the same thing over and over again. So duplicate this, reveal into the project, duplicate this from the project, and hold Alt and drag the new composition into this one. Move it forward, cut this one here, Alt and right bracket, and go inside this one and make the same changes. So this one will make it Mangazi. Here is the name, the image, same thing. Drag it into the project and replace it like this. And we will keep making the same thing for another two creators. And here is the last one for the Devin Jatho. And here we will add the final one. And now let's move forward making the animation. So it will be like pop-up animation with the scale. It will be like this. Scaling up and going back like this. So we'll copy this scale and paste it. For each one like this. And after that, we will move forward making the layers below. So we will get the same one, but without content or with content, it doesn't matter. And get it below each of these like this. And for the new ones, after the first one, we will make a new layer from this one in the underneath. So here, and duplicate it here, and move it down. But we will need this drop shadow effect. Let's keep the drop shadow. So it will be like this. Duplicate it. Take this one out, with the new one here. Make sure this one has the drop shadow. Decrease the scale like this. Another one here. Move it down. And after that, we will make this the reverse. So we will cut the layers like one by one like this. But we'll keep this one. Yeah, so this is the animation. And after that, we will link all these layers with a null object. To make it very easily, you will go to the motion tools and click here, and it will be all linked to the null object. Here we can make general position changes or any other keyframe changes, like moving down like this. As you see, they are moving down, and after that it goes like this. So this one will be with the final and the last, or the last rectangle. It goes with the next layer, next text layer. Got it? Be like this. So let's make the final, this second text layer, because it goes with the this rectangle. So we go to this one here, and for this text we will go inside, get this text paste here, and we can just change the details. Let's reverse the things. So it will be like this. Just the position it changes with this one. So that's it. Yeah, so this is our tutorial guide. Thank you for watching, and keep going and seeing the next videos, because I'll be posting the other animations and graphics he used in this video. There's a lot of details and thinking about this, and as I mentioned, there you will find the project files below, so you can just check it and you can reuse it if you don't have time. But I would suggest to you know watching and practicing at the same time, so you improve your skills and your experience level. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.